we also opted to do an upgrade on the outside. So they expanded our driveway, installed the artificial grass, which we love because it's dark green, rich looking and healthy throughout the year. These were the types of stairs that I like, and as you can see, at the step up, they installed LED lights. All the way through the entry, they suggested all of this. They determined to do the curve around of this stone. All of this stone is what started in the back. The patio is the same tile that I have all around the house, all the way through the back of the house. We had them build this low wall, and as you can see how it just ties together with the post at the bottom of the garage doors, and it has uplighting. And again, more artificial grass that stays very vibrantly green throughout the year. And all of our windows were replaced by Millennium as well. So the whole house got a remake, which we're very happy with. So this is what we call the California room, and as you can see, there's heaters, so we actually can use this space throughout the year. We also use the fan. This is actually a fireplace with different kinds of lighting that you could select. And then over here is the fire pit, which we can sit around at night on the built-in. This was a built-in. It was something that Eddie had done at a Newport Beach home, and we liked it so much he did it here. We have lights in the pool. Again, this is the tile that's throughout the house. I didn't want to have to look at the grill at all times, so he put it over here for me. I have a refrigerator. I have a built-in dishwasher right here. I have a cooktop stove. And then this was something that I really wanted, a shower, because after you get out of the pool, it's just nice to come over and have a nice rinse off. As you can see, there's another light that's installed up there, an LED strip, which just makes it really nice when you're out here at nighttime dining. And we selected this slab of porcelain, and it matches what's the same slab that's over on the range area. Now, one of the unique things about our jacuzzi, even though it's small, there's only 2 of us that live here now, there's 6 jets on that side. We've carried through with the artificial grass, but the view it's just wonderful. All of our walls have been stuccoed. This was something at Millennium's suggestion that really, I think, transformed the entire place. We also have music throughout. We have a speaker system. And what's great about the speaker system is it plays in the family room if you want, out here if you want. It actually plays the TV if you want. So my husband can watch TV when he's sitting with his 6 jets in the jacuzzi. So our interior finish is called Breakwater, and you can't see it at night, but during the daytime, it has little splecks of glitter. And what's really nice about the Breakwater finish is it's very smooth to the touch. You know, Eddie and his entire crew, it's like their family. They are highly ethical. They take a lot of pride in their work, very trustworthy. Eddie's very fair, and he's so patient. When I first met Eddie, you know, I told him it was always my dream to have a pool, and he said that he was in the business of making dreams come true. Well, he made my dream come true, and my husband loves it almost as much as I do, and I just want to thank you and everybody at Millennium for everything that you did and continue to do to support us when we have a little issue here or there. It's a quick call, and you know, right away he sends someone over to take care of it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart.